What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Insta360. This is the V2 or the Go 2 version, and you can get this on their website. I'll leave the link in the description. It's $299, and it's supposed to be like a GoPro alternative. So just to go over some of the specs real quick, I believe it gets you 1440p at 50 frames per second, or 30 frames per second, or 1080p at 50 frames per second, or 30 frames per second, and that's in stabilized, aka pro video mode. And in regular video mode, it has the same specs. It also has time lapse, also has HDR, slow motion, and things of that nature. Video format is MP4, and let's see, photo resolution 1440p. It also has a 1:1 aspect ratio, a 9:16 aspect ratio, and it also has panorama as well. So let's see what you get for $299. Let's see. And I'll be doing some additional videos as well with this. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. So yeah, the packages came in today. Chase Adventure. I like it. Okay. Little jammies on here. Okay. All right. We ain't gonna worry about it. We're gonna move on. And I believe I've seen this on a couple of the bigger YouTubers' channels, Mr. Who's the Boss. Shout out to them. And I believe Lou Later, he was talking about this. So I wanted to check it out and throw it on my channel. So this is the camera itself. And here's some of the information. Flow rate stabilization, hands-free. You can mount anywhere because it has a magnet. You can see the 1440p. It's waterproof. Has auto editing. So I'm definitely curious about that. Hyperlapse, slow motion, remote control, I believe from your cell phone, and Wi-Fi preview. Let me see. All right. And let's see. I don't think there's no stickers or anything. Let's see what you get in the box. Presentation, always first and foremost. Get all these jammies up off here. First and foremost, I had to get rid of them jammies. Them jammies was bothering me. So, like I said, think big. This looks like the camera itself. It does have a magnet. So I'm assuming that little pendant is behind there. So we're gonna set the camera off to the side, open this up. And again, like I said, the pendant opens up. Wow. Presentation, very, very nice. Very nice. Let's see, we can fish this up out of here. So the pendant, okay, see, I just threw it on there. Okay, so you can definitely wear this under your shirt. Oh yeah, that's got some grip to it. Got the instructions, as you can kind of see. All right, charge case instructions. These are the different little modes. See what else? Quick start guide. Definitely gonna jump into these and read these. Ooh, stickers. Love stickers. So okay, so got stickers. Guide right here. Set this right here. Let's see, charging cable, USB-C. Okay, see? All right, Insta360, y'all trying to do a little something. Okay, this looks like one of the little mount things. And you can kind of stick this to something if you want. That's pretty cool. So you're getting a little something. And this is the actual charge case. So I believe you stick it in there like so. Okay, yeah, you pull this off. And then oh wow, that is dope. Okay, all right, I see you. Trying to do a little something. Okay, and this is another little holder. Looks like you can stick it on something, hang it on something. Okay, so there's plenty of options. And as for the box, and that's pretty much what you get in the box. So again, Poison for the Trolls. Shout out to Floss. Trying to get on your low. So as you can see, this is the setup. So I'm definitely gonna be doing some more videos and things like that. Ooh, had a little rumble. It's connecting and all that good stuff. But again, Insta360. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just, hit me up in the comments. I would highly, highly appreciate it. You guys do all that YouTube stuff. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys take care of each other. Peace.